Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix AirPods not detected in the case issue. So guys, if you are also facing this issue and you are unable to fix it, here I will show you how can you easily fix this issue. So guys, basically to fix AirPods not detected or charging in their case, clean the charging connects inside the case and on the AirPods with a dry cotton swab. So guys, you have to simply clean the charging connects inside the case and on the earbuds with a dry cotton swab, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution, that is you have to simply place them back firmly and reset your AirPods by holding the setup button for 30 seconds. So guys, you have to simply put your AirPods inside the case and then press and hold this button for 30 seconds and reset your AirPods to the factory settings. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply contact the Apple support team for further information and help. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.